welcome to Jill Style. Thanks for stopping by. Today, people, today we're going to do a little update, a little upfresh in this bathroom. As you can see, I try to stand back so you can see how deep it is. And I'm not all the way back. If I go all the way back, I'd be right here. So, this should be fun. And like I said, it's just going to be a little update, a little refresh. I'm kind of tired of looking at it like this. So we're going to do something new, something fresh, something different. So sit back and enjoy. See you in a minute. Hi, and welcome back. Man, oh man, am I excited about this. I have finally finished. Yes, I'm going to say it's finished for now. It's finished because that's all I'm going to do. Well, that's what I say, but that's all I'm going to do until spring. And I'll tell you what I mean by until spring. So, are you ready for this great big refresh? It is so cute. I will list uh, all the items in the description box down below. I will also put the paint colors. Um, the paint is from Valspar. I do know that. I think the wall color is called Balance, and I think I did the cabinets in just basic white. But are you ready for this, people? Are you ready? Okay. So, without further ado, here you go. All right. So, I'm going to back up a little bit. It is so hard to get my whole bathroom because it is so deep. But this is um, what you see when you're standing outside the door. So we're going to come in and you see where my boyfriend landed. Yes, he landed in the bathroom. Yes. I think he looks great there. So we'll start with him. If you saw my haul. If you did not, please watch that. I got him from Wayfair. And because I couldn't find him at our Home Goods. So then we come on in. And the little sconce on the wall that you see, I got that from Amazon. As I said, everything will be in the description box down below. My hand towel holder and soap dispenser came from Marshall's. My vase is from Pier 1. The cabinet I already had. It is from At Home. And I want to preface this by saying this is just basically a refresh. So basically all I did was paint it. I changed a few things. I shot my own home. And yeah, and I think it looks rather nice, if I must say so myself. Now, for the big things, big to me because that's the only thing that I went out and bought. But the things that I went out and purchased were this wallpaper. This wallpaper is by Drew and Jonathan Scott, the Scott brothers. And at first, I'm really not a big pattern girl. And I was going to get the grass cloth, and my husband was like, don't you already have that in the other bathroom? Because I did do our half bath in grass cloth. But I said, okay, I will try something different. So I think it's quite cute. And the other thing is, because we have an older home, whoever lived here before, there was the old kind of wallpaper, and they didn't take the glue off and paint it over top of it. So our walls are kind of janky. But anyway, so I think that looks great. I did end up having to get a new light fixture because I dropped the other one while trying to take it down to paint. But anyway. Oh, my very favorite, you guys. I have been looking and searching, and I've been searching. Okay, anyway, there I go breaking out in song. But I had been looking for long shower curtains that go from the ceiling to the... Come on now, come on with me. Stay with me. bam, to the floor. These are 72 by 96, and I purchased them from Amazon, I do believe. I will double check, and as I said, I will list it down below. But I am so loving these dang on shower curtains. Love them, love. And so let me go on back around. Shop my home, found this pitch right here. It was in my little stash. Little flowers I had, shop my home, found those. Those are from Amazon as well. The little holder, I believe, is from, and I'm not sure I'm going to keep that there. I probably will not, but if you're interested, anyway, the little holder came from Hobby Lobby. My hand towels, I have had these for a while. Sometime, as I said, you just have to shop your home to see what you have. So I'm going to stand back here by the cabinet and turn so that you can see. So yeah, I am dearly loving all of this. Now there were two things that I'm just going to wait till spring. One was, guys, I purchased and returned 3 rugs. Yes, 3. 1, 2, 3. Uno, dos, tres. And I ended up having to put down the typical bathroom rugs, which that's not the look I'm going for. I want an area rug that's very muted with the same colors as I have in here. It kind of looks like my tile in my bathroom is coming off slightly pinkish, but they're not. They are like a taupe or real light tan. But yes, oh, and the other thing that I'm saving for spring is my buddy right here. Bam! I did paint the trim around the window. I was wanting to paint, let me get here. I was wanting to paint all this wood here. I'm going to wait till spring because I just cannot paint this because I have the wood trim out throughout my house. So if I paint this, I'm gonna have to do the whole thing. I'm gonna have to do it. So, but I think for the time being, this is cute. I love it. Drop me some comments. Let me know what you guys think. And I apologize for those who have maybe went by my Facebook page or my Instagram page because I did do a little teaser saying video coming soon. But let me say this. Life has been happening, and sometimes when life happens, sis, you just got to breathe and push through. So I'm pushing through and everything's going to be all right. But anyway, again, drop your comments. Let me know what you think because I'm liking it. No, I don't like it. I love it. So until next time, you know what I always say. I love you from your toes to your soul. So stay safe and blessed. Bye. Hey guys, in case you're wondering what the circle thing is up under the wall sconce, it is a wall mount for the second generation Dot Echo. Just thought you might want to know. I will have that listed.